In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use repeaters with Wix Studio. Start by opening your site in Wix Studio so you can work directly inside the editor. Repeaters are a really useful tool when you want to display the same type of content multiple times in a clean, consistent layout. They're perfect for things like team sections, service cards, blog previews, product lists, or any content that repeats visually across the page. Once your site is open, go to the Add Elements panel on the left side. From there, select Layout Tools, then click or drag a repeater onto your canvas. Wix Studio gives you a variety of pre-built repeater layouts to choose from, including list-style designs and card-based layouts. So pick the one that best fits the kind of content you want to show. After you've added the repeater, start editing the content inside the first item. You can update text, buttons, images, and other elements just like you normally would. This is one of the biggest advantages of working with repeaters. When you change the design or content structure of the first item, those same changes automatically apply to all the other items in the repeater. That helps you save time and keeps everything visually consistent. Next, select the repeater itself and open the Layout panel. This is where you control how the repeater is displayed. You can switch between different display types, such as a grid, slider, or list, depending on how you want your content to appear. You can also adjust the direction of the layout and fine-tune the spacing by changing the gap size between items. These settings are especially helpful when you want the section to feel balanced and easy to scan. You can also adjust how many items appear in a single row. If you are building with responsiveness in mind, which is always a good idea, turn off the fixed item setting. That allows the repeater items to wrap automatically based on the available screen width, which helps your layout adapt more smoothly across different devices. If you want a more dynamic visual style, you can enable the A/B design pattern in the layout settings. This lets you create an alternating design, such as highlighting every second item with a different style. Once it's turned on, you can customize the B variant individually to create that alternating effect. And if you want to display different data across each repeater item without creating each one manually, connect the repeater to your CMS. Click the Connect to CMS icon on the floating toolbar. Choose an existing collection or create a new one, and then map each element inside the repeater, like a title or image, to the matching field in your collection. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.